And now for a room tour.
So this is my door. It has our names on it. The doors open with a key, and they automatically lock, but I had mine propped open. But once you close the door, you have to have a key to open it again. So here's an overview of the room. It's pretty small. So when you first walk in the door, we have a little coffee cart set up. It has all our mugs and stuff. And then we have our microwave and our mini fridge. And you can rent them through the school. We decided it was more cost effective to just buy them, but that is an option. And the room for some reason has these 2 towel bars. We took one down. It's in like the worst possible spot. I guess since it's right outside the bathroom it makes sense, but we use it to hold paper towels and we took down the other one. We brought this from home too. It's a shelf. And this is my side. So we have my dresser, my desk, and my bed, and my little dresser down there. And then this is the bathroom, which I'll give you a tour of in a second. So here's the inside of the dresser. When the doors are closed, you can't tell, but there are actually 2 drawers right here, which are super convenient. I keep my shoes in the bottom and some like my pajamas and my workout clothes in the top one, and then you have plenty of room to hang your stuff. I brought a lot of clothes and I was able to fit it all. And then this shelf is super convenient to put stuff on. And then here's my desk. It's kind of a mess right now, but as you can see, there's a drawer on the top, and then there's a little cubby down there. And then here's my bed. You can raise and lower it if you can see that right there. That's kind of to show you how high and how low it can go. I didn't raise mine, but my roommate did just a little bit because her dresser wouldn't fit. It's at a pretty good height. I do have to use my little ottoman right there to step up, but it's not, I think it's a good height. It's just tall enough to fit this little dresser that comes with the dorm as well. 3 drawers, plenty of space. I really brought so many clothes, it's ridiculous, and I still was able to fit them all. Thank God. And then under my bed, I have a little rolling shelf thing that I brought from home, my laundry basket, and there's some other random things back there. So all the dorms at UT do have AC, thank God, because we're in Florida. And it's super nice because I believe in all of the dorms you can adjust the AC how you want it. So the room next to ours is connected to us through a bathroom, so we share that bathroom. There's 4 of us. So the bathroom has 2 sinks and 2 little under sink storage areas. It's really big. Super convenient for having 2 people, especially 2 girls. And then we have the toilet. We added the shower curtain extra because it was just like an open area. It was kind of weird, so we used this shower curtain. And these are super nice. We have cubbies, so we can keep our towels in here. I keep my extra washcloths down here. And here we have the shower. And the cleaning team that comes through and cleans our bathroom once a week replaces the toilet paper for us, which is super great. They also wash the toilet. So some dorm essentials I would definitely say are extension cords, since there are not many outlets, a filter pitcher that you can keep in the fridge, because unless you want to be drinking warm water out of the sink, you don't really have much room to store water bottles. There is a water fountain in the hall, but this is so much easier in the middle of the night if you're thirsty to just grab the pitcher out of the fridge. I have a printer, and if you plan on printing a lot of things, I would recommend it. As someone who's in a few different music groups, I'm always printing sheet music, so it's been kind of a necessity to have one. You get a $30 printing allowance per semester, and each page is 10 cents for black and white. And for me, it just wasn't enough, and the computer labs are only open certain hours. There are a bunch on campus, but I ran into a few situations where it wasn't open when I needed it to be open, and I'm always printing things last second, so it was just easier to have a printer in my room. If you plan on eating in your dorm a lot, I would recommend getting real forks and spoons that you can reuse. I started out with just a pack of spoons, forks, and knives, and I ran out really quickly until my parents sent me a set of silverware. Better for the environment for sure, and more convenient because you don't have to keep buying them. If you plan on raising your bed, I would say that either a stool or a little ottoman are definitely an essential. My bed isn't that high up and I still have trouble getting into it. I could use my chair, but that would be a hassle. So instead, I have a little ottoman. It's also hollow, so I can put things in there. So I put like books and stuff, so it's really convenient. Oh, also super long charging cables for your phone. If you want to use your phone while you're in bed and it's dead, if your cable isn't super long and you have a faraway outlet, it's not gonna work. So my cable is like 10 feet long and it's perfect. Yep, so that's all the essentials I can think of right now.